Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm that handyman you call when you need to fix something in your house or you just need to assemble furniture that seems very complicated. Today I'm here to test myself, but above all, to test the new HANDZ drill and screwdriver. We will have assembly, repair, and construction challenges similar to what you encounter in any home. This is Carl and Jenny, friends of mine who, with the new HANDZ drill and screwdriver, think that they can beat me. We'll see, guys. Okay, before we start this series of challenges, each of us has selected a tool. I, for example, will use my traditional toolbox with drills, screwdrivers, and everything I've worked with for years. They've never let me down. Carl and Jenny will use their new favorite product, HANDZ drill and screwdriver. We'll see how it works for them. Let's start the first challenge, okay? Jenny, you and I will fix and adjust the doors of this cabinet. Whoever finishes first and does the best job is the winner. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
The HANDZ drill and screwdriver is compact and it's lightweight. It adapts from any situation from pistol to straight. A built-in flashlight, just what I need. I love that you can interchange the bits. You can change bits in a flip. They thought of everything. It feels like a complete drill set. There, I finished it. That was so easy.
I can't believe it. How did you do it?
Yeah.
Wow, it's an excellent job. Congratulations. HANDZ drill and screwdriver has everything you need in one tool, and it's easy to use.